Hey Murphy, what's that?
This, Monty, is the story of two donuts.
I like donuts, Murphy. Tell me the donut story.
Sorry, Monty, but it's a good story. It's the story of equal groups.
Murphy, I like the donut story better.
You can think of them as donuts if you want to, but they're really just two dots.
Yum! Two delicious donut dots.
When you put a line between the two dots, Monty, you make a mathematical sign.
What does a line between two donut dots mean?
It's a division sign, Monty. Something has been shared equally between groups.
Yay! Two groups. Your group and my group. We still get a donut each. There's one donut for you, Murphy, and one for me. Can I have the bottom donut? Because it's closer to my nose.
That's enough donut talk. These two dots, Monty, with the line between them, make the mathematical symbol for division.
Bye, Murphy. I'm going to play with your cars.
I'm happy to share my cars with you, Monty.
The red one's my favourite. I want lots of cars, Murphy.
We could make two equal groups from these 8 cars.
Let me.
Okay, Monty, you do it, and I'm going to write about it.
You have to start with 8, Murphy, because we've got 8 cars. And then you have to say that we split the group into 2, one for Murphy and one for Monty.
Or we could just use the division symbol.
The line between the 2 donut dots?
Yes, Monty, the symbol that tells us to divide, to group objects equally.
I like that symbol, Murphy. You don't have to use a whole bunch of words. You just need to use the symbol to say group the objects equally.
The usual word, Monty, is divide.
I'm a puppy, Murphy. Puppies don't know how to divide.
So, Monty, you wouldn't know how to separate these 8 cars into 2 equal groups.
That's easy, Murphy. I could do that. See? 3 for you and 5 for me.
Are you sure that's equal, Monty?
Yes, Murphy. Equal groups. 3 for you and 5 for me.
That's not equal, Monty. You're wrong, Monty. They're not even. They're not fair. They're not equal. Make them equal, Monty. Each group needs to have the same number of cars.
I'm sorry, Murphy. I just like cars, and I didn't think you'd mind.
It's not about minding, Monty. It's about doing what the division sign tells you to do.
So all the groups I make using the division sign have to be equal.
That's right. And now we have equal groups. You have 4 cars and I have 4 cars. And so...
I've got it, Murphy. I've got it. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Because we had 8 cars, we made 2 equal groups, and now we have 4 cars in each group.
Could you make 4 equal groups, Monty?
Of course I can. Look, I can write 8, and I can even write that special sign.
8 divided by 4 equals...
Divided by, Murphy? What's divided by?
I've told you this already, Monty. It's separating a big group into smaller equal groups, like we're doing now.
I get it, Murphy. We're going to put the cars into the circles
so that they're equal groups. Off you go, Monty. Show me how you do it.
I got it, Murphy. I got it. 8 cars divided into 4 equal groups equals 2. There's 2 cars in each group.
What would you do, Monty, if you didn't have cars to work out the division sentence?
I'd draw it, Murphy, but I can't draw cars.
But you can draw crosses and pretend they're cars, like this.
I like the cars better, Murphy. I want to make them into an array like this.
I like that, Monty. There are 4 rows of cars and there are 2 cars in each row.
So, 8 cars divided into 4 rows equals 2 cars.
What would happen, Monty, if we had 9 cars?
That's a big problem for my puppy brain, Murphy.
There's nothing wrong with your puppy brain, Monty.
I know I can't share it into 4 equal groups, Murphy.
You're right, Monty, because now there's 9 cars.
And Murphy, 9 is an odd number, so I know it's never going to divide into 2 equal groups. Never.
What about 3 equal groups?
I want to do it, Murphy. 9 divided into 3 equal groups.
Okay, Monty. How are you going to do it?
I'm going to move 1 car at a time, like this. I did it, Murphy. I separated 9 cars into 3 equal groups.
Well done, Monty. 9 divided by 3 equals
3, Murphy. It equals 3. Close your eyes, Murphy.
Why, Monty?
There's a surprise, and you always close your eyes before the surprise. No peeking, Murphy.
What are you doing, Monty?
Open your eyes, Murphy.
Monty, they're donuts.
Donut dots, Murphy. Real donut dots. Watch this, Murphy. Now I've made a division sign.
Your division sign looks delicious, Monty. Thank you, Monty. This was a lovely surprise. Hey, Monty, eat your own donut.
I was just checking they were equal, Murphy. That's what good friends do.
Now it's your turn.